there's the EP. So, update on it. Just re-cleared the headlights. They look super mint. But for those that followed my last post, if you follow me on IG or not, seats are in. Got the Recaros. The steering wheel's in. I was coming for my morning fill up at Shell. But yeah, seats are in. I got the new offset bushings from White Line and the control arms. I know I'm just showing you the wheel, but can't really see in there. The camera focuses. But they're in the control arm. In that one, they were the biggest pain, but it helps with caster. But yeah, a little walk around of it. Getting that Shell 91, always a must. That V-Power, so damn expensive. Here's a little inside from like the cockpit. Looks clean. That was the steering wheel that I did the unboxing for. It's a little small per se. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but I need to do the horn still. But I need to fix the ABS light came on. I think it's when I was doing all the suspension components. But yeah, seats are pretty dope. Yeah, they're a little dirty, they're used, but I'll see if I can have my buddy who's a detailer get that out. Just got it a line too from AHG. Drives nice. But here's how she stands, guys. What do you guys think? Next is put different coilovers. I have Olin's in the garage, so just wanted to give a little brief walk around, a little update. Nothing's changed in the rear end, it's mostly the front and the interior. So here's a cockpit view. Still got my hybrid short shifter and hybrid maximum shift knob. It's really nice. I have the Delman one in my new car that I haven't revealed. But yeah, there's the seats, super comfy. Type R cluster. Now we'll be on our merry way. Also, when we were at the gas station, or I shouldn't say we, but me, but I guess we, because the camera and I, these are the coils I'm talking about. I got some Olin's, so these are pretty sick. The bushings need replaced right there. You can see it's cracking. And the only thing that sucks about these is the adjusters are on the bottom, so like I would have to turn the wheel full lock left and right so I can adjust it. That's the only annoying part. Thank God the rears are on the top. I wish they were on the top of here, but make it easy, pop the hood. But gonna be trying to source where to get these rebuilt. I don't know anywhere, but if anyone knows, comment below, please. I'm located in SoCal, looking to get those rebuilt. Yeah, but that's how the EP sits. A little dirty. But other than that, the car is pretty stout. I love the new seats. They make a world of difference. Super comfy, and they have like this like leg support thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm pretty sure someone knows, but yeah, the only thing next is probably get some new pedal covers, I think they're called, and then get the horn installed and figure out why the ABS light is on. But other than that, EP's been good. And the next car I got right here, Honda S2000. The intake's off right now. I was putting in a new one, took the fans out. But yeah, this is it.